peak attachment operation and performance isn't as simple as switching auxiliary hydraulics on and off. Each attachment runs at different optimal flow ranges, and Hyundai gives you the power to get the most out of your attachments with standard auxiliary hydraulic flow control. The operator can simply set the desired auxiliary hydraulic flow within the monitor and operate each attachment within its recommended operating parameters, or adjust settings to meet their own operating preferences. This premium feature is standard with each new HX compact excavator from Hyundai, the new standard in compact equipment. Nothing slows down productivity quite like damaged hydraulics, and yet hydraulic lines and cylinders are prominent on the boom and arm of every compact excavator, right down to the bucket. That's why Hyundai makes boom, arm, and bucket cylinder guards standard on its new line of HX compact excavators, keeping your hydraulic system safe and your machine up and running. We're protecting the business end of your investment. Just one more way that Hyundai is the new standard in compact equipment. Daily service and equipment walkarounds are always more likely to be performed when it's easy to access critical checkpoints. The all-new HX compact excavators from Hyundai feature an all-new award-winning standard cowl and service door design that makes accessing all critical daily service points and checks extremely easy. Easy to service, easy to own and operate, all making Hyundai the new standard in compact equipment. Compact excavators work as hard as any piece of equipment on a job site, and Hyundai is committed to engineering technologies into the new HX Series compact excavators that drive both reliable performance and efficient operation. This includes the standard load-sensing hydraulics featured in new HX Series compact excavators. Load-sensing hydraulics simplify operation, reduce fuel use, and puts less strain on hydraulic systems over the life of the machine, as it only puts forth as much energy as needed to complete the job. Standard load-sensing hydraulics. One more way that Hyundai is building the new standard in compact equipment. Compact excavators with either a rigid or angled dozer blade are an ideal tool for backfilling and grading. Select Hyundai HX compact excavators comes standard with blade float. When activated, this puts automatic downforce on the blade to ensure consistent backfilling and grading performance. This is one more way that Hyundai is setting the new standard in compact equipment. Equipment security is paramount to keeping your owning and operating costs in check. Each new HX compact excavator from Hyundai comes standard with passcode security, helping protect your investment and preventing unauthorized use or theft. Protecting your new compact excavator with standard passcode security. Just one more way that Hyundai is the new standard in compact equipment. Don't let the compact name fool you. The new HX compact excavators from Hyundai set the new standard in compact equipment strength and performance with the ability to increase max hydraulic flows to meet your toughest demands. With the push of a button, the operator combines hydraulic flows to deliver even more digging power and performance. And it comes standard. Hyundai, the new standard in compact equipment, delivering more premium performance in standard model features than ever before. The all-new Hyundai HX compact excavators are built strong. They're built for performance, and they're built for intelligence. And nowhere is that more evident than with the inclusion of standard high-mate telematics on each new HX compact excavator. Track service intervals, machine location, machine performance, and other important data that allows you to run your equipment fleet more intelligently and more efficiently, and set up alerts to keep you one step ahead of important service needs and operating conditions. Not everyone puts telematics as standard equipment on compact equipment. Hyundai does. It's just one more way that Hyundai is the new standard in compact equipment. lifting, craning, and placing. All underrated functions of a compact excavator. Hyundai makes these tasks easier than ever before with a standard integrated lifting hook built right into the quick coupler of each HX compact excavator. No more fumbling with the right place to attach straps or chains. Pure intuitive innovation from the new standard in compact equipment. Compact excavators are attachment beasts, and many contractors benefit from easily swapping buckets throughout the day, from standard buckets to ditching buckets and other attachments. Hyundai makes switching buckets and attachments extremely easy with the standard hydraulic quick coupler. No getting in and out of the cab, no tinkering with pins. Swap the bucket or attachment and get right back to work. All part of the new standard in compact equipment, the Hyundai HX compact excavators.